Good morning. I'm Matthew with Just Right Carpet Cleaning. We're based here in Washington. Today I get to do a little fun project for the Washington Historical Society. You can see all this rust that's in the back. I'm going to seek to remove that today just as a way to get back to our community. So let's see the results. Again, this is Matthew with Just Right Carpet Cleaning. We're based here in Washington and love our city. So if there's anything you notice that needs to be cleaned around the city, we'd love to give back to our community. Try to do one free cleaning per month at least. So let us know if you see something that you notice needs to be cleaned, whether it's exterior or interior. We'd be happy to help. So feel free to contact us. And if you need anything for your home or business, we'd love to serve you. We provide carpet and tile as well as pressure washing and exterior cleaning. So thanks so much.